Putting it all together. In this final exercise, you'll combine the things you've learned over the last few pages. Update this response to question function so that it gives the answers specified below. It's okay to go back and look at the code from earlier pages. So we have a function and response to, and then the parameter is a question, which is a string, and it returns a string. Right now it just returns the question mark, which if you recall from the Xcode project, that the app only returned a question mark, so that's what we're working on here. So these answers should be, why hello there. So we have hello there and hello there, but this one has a capital H. So we know the first thing we need to do is create a constant. We're going to call it lower question. And that is going to get whatever the question parameter is, and then dot lowercase. And then don't forget the parentheses because it is much like a function. It's called a method. So now all we've done is create a lowercase version of this. Now we're going to create some conditionals. If, and then we have lower question, dot, has prefix, because they both start with where, so it has prefix where, so if that is true, then it's going to return hello there. Oh, nope, why hello there? Why hello there. And we're just going to make this a generic else for the question mark. So now we have hello there should return, oh, this actually should be hello. I got ahead of myself. Hello. All right, why hello there? All right, so now we have these should be to the north. Where should I go on holiday? This is where the where comes in. And where can I find the North Pole? These just return question marks because this is false. So I'm going to add another else if. So else if lower question has prefix because they both start with where. Then there we go. Then we are going to, goodness, okay, return to the north, to the north. So now we have to the north and why hello there. So far so good. These answers should be, this answer should be in the cookie jar. So where are the cookies? So it should be exactly where space are space the cookies question mark. It's saying to the north because right now we're looking at where here. We ran into this problem before. So we are going to look for where are the cookies before we ask another where question. So else if is going to go before lower question has prefix. Oh, actually it's just lower question, could be a prefix, but is equal to where are the cookies? And this one is going to return in the cookie jar. So let's check that. We have why hello there, to the north, and in the cookie jar. Remember that should be, again, before, this conditional should be before the where prefix. All right, next, any other question can have the answer you'd like. You can also make new rules or conditions so different questions have different answers. Below are some example questions for you to test the final part. You can add or change test questions if you like. So we have can and should. Can I have a cookie? And can I have cookies? Or a cookie. and then should. So if I wanted can I have a cookie to be the entire prefix because the punctuation here is different, I can. So we have has prefix hello, that wouldn't be true. Where the cookies, false. And has prefix where, also false. So I'm going to start this one at the bottom. Else, if, lower question, has prefix. Can I, lowercase, have a cookie? No punctuation. I want that to return something specific about getting a cookie. So can I have a cookie? Sometimes it takes a moment. I'm gonna double check that I didn't make, oh, extra argument in call. Oh. I've been working in too many different languages. My other class uses JavaScript, so I thought I didn't need the parentheses. So now you sure can have a cookie. Look at that. You've earned it. And then should I go? So you can have the entire question. Else, if, has prefix. We're going to go with should for this one. Then I want to return something should specific. Yours should be different than mine. And my else statement can be just a generic, I'm not sure I understand, but you should add more conditionals here and then test them here. So this is you totally should, because I'm asking, should I go? So note, you'll be cutting and pasting the body of the response to question function above. When you highlight it to copy it over, your function body will be different, but it'll look something like this. So this is their example. So I'm going to copy this entire line 6 through 23 into my program. So you're going to need that for the next steps.